All right, we got a 1999 F250. Let's see, will it run and drive? Let's find out. F250 Super Duty. All right, what's going on? So I'm at a random estate sale today and they got this old F250 down here. I didn't expect this. Let's see what the deal is. Couldn't tell you. Man, there's so much competition here. I want to do a whole will it run, but will it run? And it just stalled. So those batteries were drained as can be. I had to put my 2 jump packs, one on each battery, 24-volt system, and then the guy had to jump it with his F250 just to get the thing to start and run and idle. I know, right? So those batteries are as drained as possible. Those are gonna have to be swapped out ASAP. Can you get in there and step on the brakes if it starts trying to run me over, please? Blow by. There are no brakes either. Definitely worth it. Yeah, so at this point I'm thinking, okay, 1999, 7.3, you know, I'm not a diesel mechanic, but I've worked on some diesel stuff and that's a good bit of blow by in my mind. But for the vintage and how many miles it has, it seems reasonable. Is it worth buying? I don't know. We're gonna have to check this thing out further. So I'm finna take this thing on a test drive. Dude's over here, he wants it, you know how that goes. So I can't really film much. There's so much competition here, I gotta get it. All right, let's see. I mean, this making some weird noise. It's got some blow by. We'll have to check it out a little bit, but it literally has no power steering, dude. Like you can't turn it. There's nothing. So, you know, estate sales, the deal is with that is the owner's no longer with us, so you can't ask him, hey man, what's wrong with the truck? Well, I had this done, new transmission, new this, new that. You got nothing to go off of. You go in the glove box, there was one old registration card, a couple power steering fluid receipts in the back from O'Reilly's. Look at the date on them. That's about all you got to go off of with this stuff. So, you know, is as is, where is, man. Well, it has no brakes either. Nothing. Damn. What's going on with this thing? It runs good though. It's got a little bit of blow by. So the wiring on this thing is pretty gnarly. I mean, that was about as big around as my arm, rat's nest of wiring. And there's no telling what's going on with this thing, where those wires go, man oh man. And those fuel lines, what's the deal with that? Someone like bypassed the whole original fuel setups, like an aftermarket fuel filter. That didn't look like it was changed recently. What is going on, man? I mean, the price is right. So he wants it. I might tell him like $2,500, but bro, this thing is wild, man. No brakes, no power steering. So the guy had like a little tuner knob. I don't know why y'all always do that to these diesel trucks, but he had a tuner knob in there and he just turned it. The other guy looking at it, he turned it. It just shut off the whole truck. The whole truck just shut off when he turned that tuner knob. So yeah, the wiring, how long has it been like that? I don't know, but I don't think that's good. But dude, look, it's got blow by, but it's not pressurized blow by. But yeah, he's trying to go in there and make an offer. I'll get it out of here. Yeah. How you gonna get this thing out of here, dude? It weighs like 9,000 pounds.
All right. And I said, well, whoever bids the highest is who I got to give it to.
Bidding, we're gonna start a bidding war. No.
No. No, but that's just from the homeowner. That's how he said.
Oh, the homeowner.
Just whoever has the highest bid at the end of the sale, that's who can get it. So, but the little boy and girl in there just came in there and said, we'll do 25. And I said, well, I got to go out and ask.
I'm just trying to figure out how to get it out of here.
Right. So,
because it has no brakes and it has no power steering, or else I would have had it.
Right,
I would have bought it by now. So I would have to get a tow truck in here. I'm trying to figure out how long can it sit here after we get it going?
It can sit here for however until you get it out of here.
So bidding war.
And I don't think they're going to bid much more on it. But he just came in there and says, "Look, I'll be at 25." Now I don't know if this one wants to bid on it, but
are you interested in it too? No brakes, no power steering, blow by. It's smoking. I don't know how I get it out of here.
I've got a tow truck over for the other one I bought.
You're gonna bring your tow truck?
He bought the other truck.
What are you doing with them? You selling them, or you just like tinkering them?
Tinkering, yeah.
You tinker? All right, guys, so I'm back. I passed on it. Let the other guy have it. He wanted to have some fun with it, man. Have some fun with it. I hope he gets the truck running real well. The motor was running good. I got it running good. I guess he put some power steering fluid in there. I saw him take off down the road. Meow. How'd y'all get that thing moved? I thought you were gonna have to get a tow truck in here. So I guess, you know, he knew apparently on these F250s, the power steering and the brakes are tied together. It's like a hydraulic thing, you know. I don't know, I'm used to brake boosters on these gas trucks, but put some power steering fluid in there and he was able to get it on the road. Either way, you know, 2,500 bucks. Should I have bought it? Y'all let me know down below. Is it worth it? 2,500 bucks, 7.3, two-wheel drive. If it was a 4x4, I would have bought it. 350,000 miles. You know, I've been looking for a Duramax LBZ. We'll get us an 06 LBZ if we get a Duramax so that we can haul more of these trucks over here to work on. But if y'all saw what was right behind me, you'd be like, man, you don't need to be messing with that. You need to focus on what's behind me, because I got something way better behind me. Way better than an F250 from 1999. So we need to get that thing going so I can post that video. So, you know, 06 LBZ, I'm always on the prowl, always looking. If I find me one, I'll get it. You know, it's gonna be better than this 7.3 ever wished it could be, but they're getting rare nowadays. Either way, drop me a huge thumbs up. That's it for the video. I'll check y'all on the next one. Later.